Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to hide following list on Instagram. To hide your Instagram following list, the primary method is to make your account private. Right? With the private account, only your approved followers can see your following list, what you posted, what you shared, and who you follow. So I'm gonna hit my profile icon at the bottom right. Hit the three bars at the top right. And you can find right here your privacy, your account privacy. And all you gotta do is just turn on your private account, right? And basically followers will be able to see your following, who you follow, and your followers, your posts, while non-followers cannot. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and you can also block specific users to prevent them from seeing your following or followers list. So see you in the next one.